Good afternoon from NPTI Florida. I'm Pat Sherman. Hopefully you guys have an awesome week. Today is Wednesday. I just want to briefly take a few minutes out of your busy day to help our prospective students and future personal trainers understand our new and exciting program that we launched in 2025. It's brand new. It's been extremely popular with our future personal trainers. A little bit confusing sometimes, so I just wanted to clarify it. Just take a few minutes, chat, explain our HYFLEX learning platform. We now offer a HYFLEX learning personal training program. After 25 years, our biggest challenge was trying to find the time and the commitment if you were a single mom, single dad, work-life balance, had future commitments, you work part-time, full-time, you just couldn't come to school Monday through Friday with us full-time for a period of 18 weeks, 4.5 months. It was tough, we understood that. So we worked on a program with the Department of Education and our accrediting agency and put together a flexible, versatile career diploma. It is the same education, the same diploma from the Department of Education based out of Tallahassee. It is good forever, lasts forever, never expires, unlimited job opportunities worldwide. We've been doing this for over 25 years, guys, so nothing changes. The only thing that changes is total flexibility. I'm going to briefly explain what I mean by that, right? So with HYFLEX, you can come to class just like we've been teaching for the past 25 years. In person, face-to-face, in a classroom, take 10-minute breaks on the hour, half-hour lunch break, and then 2.5 hours a day, you're training in our private training facility, client personal training experience. Nothing changes, guys. Face-to-face, we've been doing this for 25 years. Now, we take the face-to-face, and we're gonna blend that with HYFLEX. What does that mean, right? Blending means that you have the option, the student makes the choice, whether you want to come in face-to-face 2 days a week, 3 days a week, study online the additional days. You could come in 1 day a week this week, 2 days next week, nothing face-to-face this week, do it all 100% online, and then come in next week, 1 day, 2 days. So you have total blended flexibility from anywhere, anytime you have some time to study, from an iPad, computer, iPhone, tablet, doesn't matter. Total flexibility. Or, lastly, we have several students that live in the Panhandle, Pensacola, Jacksonville, Miami. Take our HYFLEX program online for the 500-hour duration over the course of the next few months when you have time. And then, on the back end, in order to graduate, you're going to come up here for a week, 2 weeks, whatever is necessary to complete the 100-hour practical. That's the lab, client personal training simulation, CPR, first aid, proper form technique, heart rate, blood pressure, all the medical aspects are going to be taught here in our private facility over a week or 2 weeks. Then you're going to graduate with a career diploma. But what we've done now in 2025, which nobody else has ever been able to do, give total flexibility. The HYFLEX program will allow face-to-face, online, blended, total flexibility. And guess who gets to choose this, guys? The students choose. It's your choice on how much time you can put into the program. Face-to-face, blended, online. You have weekly support. We use Canvas, which is a typical college platform for the actual program, the videos, the demonstrations, director of education support on a weekly, as much time that you need. Everything's administered online through Canvas. Guys, awesome program. Qualifies for veteran educational benefits, FAFSA, Pell, subsidized, unsub loans, scholarships. Nothing's changed, but we put it back into your hands for work-life balance and give you the flexibility as a student to still obtain your career goal as a personal trainer. Do it on your pace, and then we'll help you with opportunities nationwide, worldwide. 30 days prior to graduation, I'll start calling on your behalf, get you some interviews, and put you to work going forward as a personal trainer. Guys, look forward to helping each and every one. There's no excuses now. I don't want to hear, oh, I don't have the time, can't do it. I live in Jacksonville, I live in Miami. I don't care where you live. HYFLEX will get you there. Free application, veteran priority enrollment. apply for FastFit today, you can start tomorrow. That's the nice part about HYFLEX. Guess what? Call me today, 407-772-0057. Go online, fill out an application, fill out FastFit. You can start tomorrow, you can start Friday, you can start next Wednesday. Awesome, guys. I appreciate everybody for the past 25 years following us, subscribing, watching our videos weekly. Still look forward to helping you out. We're going to do the same thing for the next 25 years, hopefully, God willing, and let's do it. NPTI Florida.edu to apply, 407-772-0057. Shoot me a text. I'm Pat Sherman. Look forward to helping each and every one of you. It's a go time, guys, 2025. Take it today. You can start training clients this summer with a rewarding personal training career. Look forward to helping everyone.